Hello and welcome to the Moon and Cancer reading. I hope you're all doing well and taking care of yourselves. I have linked the folder of the sun sign readings down below if you haven't checked those out yet and wish to. Now, we know that the moon's in Scorpio, baby. All right. Six of Wands. This is a healing victory. This is going within and doing ego work, inner child healing, to follow your passions, to become more heart-centered and learn the lesson of just really letting go. What does letting go look like? What is, and what is really balancing your female energy with your male energy? And I see that that's what allowed this process. What allowed this process was more balance of the masculine energies within, to be able to strengthen the flow between body, mind, soul. Inner child healing was achieved. It's like the sun, I can really feel like the pull of the sun was what restored the balance. Wow, that's incredible. There's so much light in that. Even though it's so dark, there's so much light. And the Fool. So now this is the new beginning. This is the new beginning after the healing victory and the raise in vibration and all that integration of light within the dark. And I feel like whatever you let go, like now you're feeling so high vibe that even the dog in this card is trying to tell you, like, whoa, relax, slow down, you still got a lot of time left. But you're so in the flow, you're so enjoying being in the flow of what you're creating here, of what you're trying to connect with and your visions, that you just don't even care. Like this, you feel great. I can just feel it. Like this, you actually feel great. You feel alive. You're doing things you never thought you could do. You're lit. You're setting stuff free out of your box. And I feel like it's like a box that's been shut for a very long time. But now that box is just open and you're just going to let it all free. And there's the Seven of Cups. So there's the illusion. And I feel like you saw through the illusion. You let the sun in and it allowed you to transform through your darkness. And I feel like you really, truly have integrated your dark with your light. I see a lot of self-acceptance, and I really do feel the presence too of the Scorpion energy within this Seven of Cups card, of seeing through the illusion, the transformation, and the integration of the masculine energies. And it's incredible because I can see the wheel turning in this card, and there is the wheel. So now the wheel's turned. There's been, it's the new beginning, right? And there was a truth told that allowed you to really free up some mental energy, and it was a letting go, and then that allowed you to fill your cup and create with your cup. And I really feel like that's what you are now. Like right now, you're working with Cups energy, and you have been working with Cups energy, but this is the thing, here you are, but the masculine energy, right, we just talked about. The King of... So balance achieved. And this is allowing growth. This is allowing stability. And I really feel like you feel like now the light is always going to be following you within the dark because of this process, this evolution. All right, let's just see what's being hidden. As we know, we're seeing through illusions. What is being hidden? Okay. The Father of Snakes. Oh, the Father of Wands. The Father of Snakes. There's my right brain kicking in. The Father of Wands. And we know there's the fire power. The Father of Wands is a man of mystique and charisma. Others are drawn to him naturally, and he welcomes them with an open and loving heart. Usually you'll find him involved in the healing arts, as he's deeply compassionate and in tune with life and nature. He is able to hold steady and still during conflict. Alrighty. Lightning has struck. And there is the transformation. I love that. There's the serpent. Cobra. A beautiful harvest. I cherish the companion Spirit has given me. I honor those who share my life. I bless their talents, abilities, gifts, and personalities. I see them as divinely led, divinely placed in our connection to me and to our mutual unfolding. And that's what I see that you've achieved here. It's a mutual unfolding. Because the yin and yang are in flow. Thank you for joining me here. I'll see you again soon. Take care until next time.